food part. The food all looks good here. I'm really hungry.
I know the food looks good, but we need to eat all these pastries and stuff too. Okay, Reverchon pipeline coaster, here we go. Do you think this is gonna be smooth, or how do you think it feels? Reverchon.
Not bad. This is very weird. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. What? You just do 2 helixes? Okay. It was really smooth. Do you have anything positive to say about that? No.